Did you know about the extraordinary journey of Francis Kéré? Born into a very poor family in a small village in Burkina Faso, a place without schools, Kéré has risen to become today's most influential African architect. His journey to education began late. He completed high school at the age of 25. Starting his career as a carpenter, Kéré's dedication and hard work earned him a scholarship to study architecture in Berlin, Germany, where he graduated at the age of 39. Kéré's story is not just about personal achievement, but also about giving back to the community. Upon his return to Burkina Faso, the first project he undertook was building a school for 1,000 students, a testament to his commitment to education and community development. His approach to architecture is deeply humanistic. He famously said, "Architecture is caring, and it's about people." This philosophy is evident in his designs, which prioritize intimacy and well-being. One of the remarkable aspects of Kéré's work is his emphasis on simplicity in construction processes. He ensures that his methods are straightforward, allowing even unqualified individuals to adapt and contribute. His rustic approach not only makes his projects more inclusive but also cost-effective, often resulting in magnificent outcomes despite the modest budget. In March 2022, Kéré broke new ground by becoming the first Black and first African recipient of the Pritzker Prize, the Nobel of Architecture. His accolades are numerous, including the Aga Khan Award for Architecture in 2004, the Global Holcim Award in 2012, the Schelling Architecture Prize in 2014, the Royal Institute of British Architects, RIBA, International Prize in 2018, the Lightenhouse Museum's Architecture Prize in 2018, and most recently, the Crystal Award for Eco-Sustainable Projects in 2024. Francis Kéré stands out for his unique architectural philosophy. In a world where many architects focus on skyscrapers and grandiose structures, Kéré draws inspiration from his humble beginnings. His designs are eco-friendly and community-centered, rooted in the experiences of his rural upbringing in Burkina Faso. He is a champion of social responsibility, utilizing innovative and locally sourced materials. His projects are not just buildings, they are community engagements that foster education and preserve cultural identities. His work has not only transformed landscapes, but also lives, leaving a lasting positive impact and inspiring a new generation of sustainable architecture worldwide. We hope this story of Francis Kéré has inspired you as much as it has us. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please follow, like, and comment to show your support. Your engagement helps us continue to bring inspiring stories and educational content to you. Thank you for watching.